morning. I've spent too much time watching YouTube this morning and on my last cup of coffee, so it's probably time to get something done today. So I think today we're going to do a little bit of tree trimming. There's an ornamental tree on the west side of our house that was here when we bought the place. It's really a pretty tree, but there's one horizontal branch that I'm a little concerned about. As the tree grows, possibly a storm could knock that down. It would split the trunk, and don't want that to happen. We'll probably also be taking out some of the sucker type branches, new ones that are coming up that are crisscrossing throughout the tree. I'm not going to get up on a ladder to do this. I'll get what I can from the ground and let it grow from there. But that should be a decent project that'll convince the wife I got something done today. I think we'll also spend a little time in the backyard. I'm gonna spread some fertilizer that has weed killer in it. That way we can get that going. I think it's gonna rain tonight, which would be really nice to water that in. So I spent yesterday raking that whole backyard. I'm aching now. It was hours. So get that done and hopefully move on to something else. Okay, I think I'm going to take it down in 3 sections. That'll allow me to get most of these branches down here off in one piece, and then maybe from right about there to right about here as one piece, and then finally up here at the tree trunk. And I'll probably clip off some of these just to make it a little bit lighter and easier to do. Okay, and we'll use a 3-cut method. Okay, that'll be 1 cut, relief cut right about here. You know, a few inches up from where we were gonna have a clean cut. And we'll do 1 on top. We'll cut down, and that should split and fall safely to the ground. And then we would cut clear through right where we want it. And of course, we'll just do the 2 there, get that split off. Then this section, we'll do the same thing. Cut right here, oh, I'm sorry, there, and up a little bit. That should fall off, and then we'll cut it cleanly, 1 inch or so from the trunk to leave this bit here, the collar. And that should heal up. And then we'll probably throw on a little bit of latex paint, even though I've seen that you don't have to do that. It's just what I do. So we'll get this off in 2 pieces Could probably do it in one, but we'll do it in two just to be safe. Okay, well, got that done up nicely. Now I'm going to put a little bit of latex paint. I got an old sample here, some dolphin gray, that I'm going to paint over that just to prevent bugs or anything else from getting in there. And then we should be done with the big one. And then we just have some of these up above to get. Okay, got that horizontal branch, we don't have to worry about it anymore. Quite a bit of that cleaned up. There's more I could have taken out, but don't want to remove that much of the tree in the spring. Should have been doing a little more work over the winter. And you can see a few more up there that are crossing or hanging down that I'd like to take out, but that's about all I can do for today. Okay, gonna try and get the backyard spread before the rain comes. Be really nice to get all that watered in. and I'm ready to go for a run with the spreader. Using Turf Builder Triple Action to kill the weeds that are there, prevent the crabgrass, and feed the rest of the lawn. I've got 2 bags, the bigger bags that do 12,000 square feet. So we're gonna see how far they go. Okay, well, we made it pretty far. Down to, about a quarter of the way into the woods. So I got one more bag, that should cover the rest of the woods. And now I kind of know when I'm spreading it right. Last couple of years I've spread with a toe behind, and I'm pretty certain I burned up a lot of grass. Just not setting it right and hitting bumps, extra stuff coming out. So just push one. Even though it's a lot more work, I think I can do a little better job with it. Okay, well, that was quite a bit of work, but got a tree trimmed, got the fertilizer spread. Of course, the sun's come out now. I don't think it's gonna get rained in, but possibly tonight. So appreciate you watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.